so sad. I'm a long way from home, and I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go, out on runway number 9, big 707 set to go. I'm stuck here on the grass, where the pavement never grows. Well, the time seems good, but they all just went too fast. Well, there she goes, my friend. She's rolling down at last. Hear those mighty engines roll. See the silver wings on high. She's away and westward bound, toward the purple sky as she flies, where the morning rains don't fall and the sun always shines. Oh, she'll be flying o'er my home in about 3 hours' time. This old airport's got me down. It's no earthly good to me. I'm stuck here on the ground, cold and tired as I might be. Can't jump a jet plane like I can a freight train. Oh, I best be on my way in the early morning rain. Oh, I best be on my way